Every life that cross the one of the most major step, that is competition. Every time, every moment, we mostly you know face that competition. Anywhere, it may be jobs or it may be sports, anywhere. And speaking English is now become one of the competition. And so many people are participating in this competition, but many of the people, they are go away or give up to participate any any competition, right? So that this is the one of the backward, so that today we will discuss about the how to face that competition, and why the people give away, or you know why the people are go away or give up to participate the competition. What is the actually meaning of the competition, and if we participate that competition, what will be that competition gives us beneficial, we will discuss. Hello guys, I welcome to this video, and today we will discuss all those things what I said before. So let's begin. People, they go away or give up to participate that competition. It not means the people are they means they could not, right? They can, but they have not interest. They have not that internal power or desiredness, so that they fear, they hesitate to participate that competition. But always remember that any battlefield, we should be debate after fighting is better than debate without fighting. Debate or failure, that gives us so many correction, so many things we can learn from that failure. So that never be afraid to failure, right? Always face to any battle, so that we can be go forward. Actually competition, that gives us, or to keep the alarm to us, where is our position, what is my strength, what is actually that I have in internal, right? And where is my weakness, that all the failure, that competition actually alarm to us to correct all those things. Competition also, one of the measure that we can learn what is the actually our life, what is how much life is difficult, how much life is sweetness. We from from that competition we learn. Also we can learn what is the meaning of the life, so that never be afraid to face that competition. Always participate that competition, so that we can, so that you and me, we can together learn so many things from this competition, right? Never be afraid the taking of the failure, right? Because failure is the best teacher in our life. So that it may be today it is worst, but day after day it will be best.